Abusia yasamu achi yemu ha amwadwo ebio Ghana television asuni wo de first time nya wa share dia bomoden like follow comment subscribe na share na abusia na ase entre ase ennore kama abusia yin se ne ampani aka se wo da soro ne se wanti ase mpofra na akwa ma so twe bi the float dwuma de dia da kase pa na be ma ya bo afọ bena binom timi ebo ye na chi dom Glit and Glow Cosmetics sanso na General Organic Food Sanity na Tete Ba Center anenti mesere se ubebo moden eba na Ghana nnuane enku papa ne apomode hwehwemu papa de abomoden numbers no na yedi ahima okasamfodi na ase no frɛ omo na eno omo endi enkita se na bia bibia ebetimi akoso kama anopa yi awie ya nwumre media amje so medemo sonfo nana K Jasi abranti eni tini kam ho wa bra ye betimi adane ye ho sima wate ase na afi ye ba ene ye wiemhye ne die wom ye busa se aso Ghana nwomtofo wo bia ene dwon political party ana na mpo adenti to de bia eya ebi mo etimi yi manim se media asomasi medwane party A anase medwane party B Ghana nwomtini ba konso de na no disem ababe to monten pa na busua ye bebbo de awram adaroma me na ne ho sima afi ye ba ye bebbo de awram na afi wo hu se ne etue mu de tia nkasa ye besisi a
me wa London baby am wo ye Walthamstow wo we here nkun yi bi so wo Manchester wo Birmingham wo Northampton wo Southampton Milton Keynes outside London baby wo contact me mami wusu anase Helena baby a wo bia so far as wo betua wo postage ye be postu e de abrel so wo ye kokko so wo ye tuntum wo ye ho ne ho kala bia wo ye wo bi ho ye fita be enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi ana obi wo ho a wasra I had enku no odin no na ma ne kala no ni body na ye basa hydroquine no asai kala no na se wunya Glit and Glow na wo start beginning no wo be hu se repair wo kala no ubeye kama ubeye kama say de mijina hoy small girl hey enku no baby anya fe na wo betete samna asra wo ho obi ho na nso oben ye wo na nso oben cream ye wo can I say stretch marks bibia anomu ye wo whitening wo se wo a wo ye kokko wo ye fita wo pese wo ye fita bibia wopa wo hwi o ringe Santiago kra anase na brown wo Ghana enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi na me de me ka landing for contact me a bibia wo bia me de bebrel me wo fie 24 hours enti anytime bia wo pesa wo frɛ me numbers me enu nyina so a bibia wo bia de how bia wo ka kire me a me sort problem na ma Glit and Glow na ye wia ne aba organic product so konkonte enkate rere edien esese kra de wache powder ye wo prekasa powder ye wo ginger powder ye wo honey wo ho bibia konkonte ye echese enwo zomi everything bibia wo de wo hwehwe sa product ya Ghana hwehwe Nana Brown anase Mr Santiago eba London so a contact mami wusia Helena bibia wo bia no ye di bibebro bibia wo ho wache powder kran so e wo ho enti bibia ni ho a wo hwehwe a won sanka enti ni nyina ye Glit and Glow
Pia abusianfo yesa mama kwa babio Ghana television so ni odin say first time nya bomoden subscribe follow comment na share efa MIS na bia betimi akoso wano ya de asere bio na MI abo for Glit and Glow Cosmetics abusia didiye srenku papa na kwaje wapom de hwehwe mu nyina e de free tina Tete Ba Center for akachi na abusia yin ye ni nkomo tutu abi abrantie a ye frɛ no ye Samini wo be se Batman those days and ye frɛ no dagate de she Samini Anko twetwe bia akoso na ya boben Samini ne busa nse Samini na nse wo beti anopa awia nwumre wo man Ghana mu no amanyofo ahodo yi ye campaign bo na nwomtofo ahodo wo ya na wayi nanim mi gina de ama nipa asomasi wo ya na wayi nanim mi bo nwom de ama nipa asomasi na wankasa ye kaya afi atwa mu yi afi mfie ba mienu atwa mu yi me 2020 mu ho Samini wo nkasa bi mu ka asem bi now you are declaring your support for His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Akufo Addo. Now, I feel so woman. What is your stand? Because Nana Akufo free akonya so ediako. What is your stand? Na no, na tesa branches Samini wo chemo say, oh, ono de enye se bia wo bro party bi achi anase ebia wo support party bi nemum ne kase ne ya wonim to no de nya trempon so wo se bi bema baye bi wo ma me de nyina na ono anka se wo hwe Nana Akufo ni message na wo de ba ene se ne wosi ba betina akonwa so na wo ye wo man Ghana na anu nti ena o declare ne support kakra de emma no na afi se mu pa de ebusua de Samini ka ne nsem a wo ka nyina no de yenko enyame na meka yenko na fa woni ene waso konekotie bi ye basisi a.
Really, judging from where I sit, I don't think
it's feasible.
Enough has been put towards our sector as against what was said. Yeah.
Do you feel disappointed?
Well, everyone would, because these are some of the things that attracted some of us to go and say, let the man continue rather than distort the flow. Things like these, among other things like, free SHS, one district, one factory, one district, one dam for farmers, and all these things. I was more interested about the factories.
The factories,
because I come from the north, and the numbers that we have over there. If you have factories that can employ people, 2,000 people working day and night, running
and
shifts,
making a living out of it.
And we have different sectors that need factories. So these things attracted some of us to go and say, let's have some sort of continuity rather than distortion to retrogress. And I guess, the blueprint is there for everyone to judge.
Would you campaign for them again? Because there's 2024 elections that is just around the corner.
I came in there at a special time where we needed continuity as a nation, in my view. Not for a particular party. But as a nation, in my view. But at this particular point in time, I don't think my service would be needed for a campaign for a political entity or agenda.
But do you still believe in the political ideologies of the MPP?
I'm not a party member.
Card-bearing member?
No. I believed in the political ideologies of Nana Akufo Addo based on his campaign message. Right? So then I thought Ghana would be better off if the man is allowed to continue his work based on what he's saying, rather than he's cut off for us to go back and start from another manifesto from someone else who wants to do 4 years. In my view, continue the 4 to your 8 rather than cut it and let someone to come and do 4 and finish and cut it and then go again for another 4.
So you believe in the 8 terms as being a realistic number?
Yes, I believe so. I believe so. Every government should be given the chance to do their full 8-year term, and if they do well, they should be given the chance to continue for as long as they can until the people don't think they are working. Because if something is working, why change it? You can only improve it.
This is Hits.
Ebusuan se wote we dia wo be se wan kasa wasumwa. Ya da asra kese e na ebema ya boafo abena bi no mutimi aboye na chi do ma Glate and Glow Cosmetics General Organic Foods and Kinaata Ba Center. Wo dia ne se abomodin didi esre nku papa wate ase na mahonam no enkasa na bibia entimi enkoso kama wa wo hwemie won so betimi de wadwuma aba beda me etima bohunde ro kese pa e de amount dia hia ne se numbers e dia him no wo dia frɛ emu bia na afi entimi promote you to the next level. Midi am je so me de mo sonfo Nana K Jesse Abranti. Have a wonderful good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Asra kese bio enko afama me producers on duty. Edmond Opoku search for Kimbex and na oba efia befi wa wo de brehwe me kase me da wase papa ma review subscribe comment na share na bibia ntimi nkoso kama ebrese no mesa no de shemu makrao.
Oh, doc. Yes, I know doc. I want to know it. No, that's why she after you turn your man. No, say the young kukru. So your stomach was up. Said the young heartburn so as I become. Let them cry. The meaning said if you be forcing I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria on the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac and a tinatet malake. Fama no nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at a tomac. I'm on my free.
Kinaata malake, eyema ubi awanya malaria fever. Ena Kinaata tomac mixture, eyema ubi awanya heartburn, indigestion. Ena ni yem eyeneya. Kinaata drui, FDA ahwehwe magia tum se eye.